Hey friends, welcome back. If your Hisense portable air conditioner isn't working properly and you can't find the remote, don't worry, you can still reset the unit directly from the AC itself. Hisense portable ACs are designed with built-in controls that allow you to troubleshoot and reset common issues without any accessories. The easiest reset method is a power cycle. Turn the unit off, unplug it from the wall, and wait at least 30 seconds. For a deeper reset, waiting a few minutes is even better. Once you plug it back in and power it on, the system refreshes its internal memory and often returns to normal operation. If the unit still behaves oddly, try a control panel reset. With the AC turned on, press and hold the mode and fan buttons together for about 5 seconds. A beep or display flash usually confirms the reset. If the issue seems electrical, check the LCDI safety plug on the power cord. Press the reset button on the plug until it clicks and stays in place. If it won't stay in, that points to a power fault that may need professional service. After resetting, check basics like clean air filters, a clear exhaust hose, and correct cooling settings. If the unit keeps shutting off or shows error codes, a reset combined with regular maintenance usually solves the problem.